Yo, what's up people? Jamil back again with another video, third video now, trying to keep it consistent. I gotta keep uploading every day, fuck it. So basically now, I've got like $80. I'm thinking fuck buying these prop firm accounts is not worth it. Like, you know, the rules and stuff is just long, and a 10K account, I'm thinking how long is it gonna take me to make some good money from that? Like, obviously that's not the right thinking, I can't lie, but I ain't got time, right? This is long. So what I'm thinking is basically upload that $80, try flip that to like 1,000, waiting for good setups only, yeah? Only good setups, trading gold and NASDAQ. Once I get to 1,000, withdraw that, maybe buy like 4 prop firm accounts of like 50K. So that's my plan. Literally just uploaded the money right now. There's my account, £60 obviously, which is like $80. The fucked up thing is, obviously today I already missed the trade, which was some bullshit. Nasdaq short at what, 29,000, yeah, 29,000, all the way down to 27,000. Obviously the confluence is there where Nvidia, I use stocks, yeah, to trade the Nasdaq. So Nvidia was at resistance there. That was the same time Nasdaq was there. Also, it was giving me more confidence was oil. At the time, it was there. So I believed oil could take a little pump. That was matching with Nasdaq at resistance to drop. US tech at resistance as well. I fucking didn't go into that. That's some bullshit. But okay, so now basically waiting for another setup. Yeah. Time where I am, it's like 6:30 right now. I'm seeing gold, maybe if I can catch it around 3,980, but I'm not even sure there. It depends on oil. I'm trying to monitor oil. When there's a good setup, I'm gonna enter. I'm gonna really try and flip this account to at least $1,000 within a week. That's my aim. After waiting the whole day, I'm seeing like an opportunity soon, yeah? This is the reason why I'm going in. I see oil coming down. That's the oil. I see that coming down. Nvidia, I think it's at support. I see a little pump on Nasdaq, yeah? That's Nasdaq. I see a pump on that. So I've entered. Right now I'm gonna set the risk at about, it's like 40 cents a point. I'm gonna put in a risk of probably about £5. Yo, what's up people? So next day, it's not been good on the trading. Entered like, well, it's not been bad, but entered one trade. I basically hit the stop loss. That was on the Nasdaq trade that I entered. I'll show you on the charts now. Waiting for another setup. Yeah, so on the charts, we basically entered a bit too early. Took a small loss, 286. The account is sitting at 57. And like I said, I entered on a Nasdaq long at price 629. I could tell there it was kind of looking weak. That's why I put the stop loss tight, to be honest. On the 1 minute, it was looking like this, so it's like that, yeah. I entered there. I put the stop loss really tight, to be honest. And like I said, my confluences was oil. I didn't believe it's gonna go much up. Like that was at that level. It was around there. I was saying that it's not gonna go much higher. I believed it to come down. US tech, the thing is, I even saw it in the night time. Once obviously I entered in here, which wasn't the best. I saw it here. This is where I should have entered. I entered basically a bit early. So on Nvidia, like you see, I used Nvidia to help me. And basically, look, I entered basically there. But really, when it was here during the night, early morning, like 1, 2, I should have entered. Back up to the resistance. Anyway, we go again today. Just waiting for another setup. Even gold, I saw it yesterday. Like here, 4,000, I was waiting for here. I was meant to enter. That's a nice pump there. It's dumb. I was just waiting for here. Did 5 points literally. I should have entered. Honestly, this gold long, I really should have entered because I was staring at fucking silver which was here, man. Silver, obviously when I trade gold, I also look at silver, yeah? So silver was here, making a wick on this trend line. It's dumb, like I should have entered. At the same time, gold was what it was here. It was all looking good for a pump. I don't know why I didn't enter. Now, just have to wait for today. See how today I'm gonna try and execute. I can't just stare all day, like it's long. Yo, what's up? So basically, yeah, been waiting the whole day. Entered, like I didn't even enter any trades. Like basically, I just been watching them. I seen like 2 good setups that I've not entered, and I don't know why. I'm thinking it's like because I'm recording myself. I'm like, I'm suffering even more execution. Like, okay, I'm not doing anything dumb, which is really good, yeah, but when I'm seeing the good setups, I'm not executing it. I've seen 2 really good setups, like A+, yeah, on gold and NASDAQ, which would have boosted me nicely, and I'm not taking it. Look, check it. Yeah, so here, obviously this is gold. We had a nice pump from the morning. Since midnight, I told you I was waiting for here. For this line, I didn't execute. I watched it in the morning, I woke up, it was like there, yeah. So I waited, I watched this come back down to like 4:45. I just waiting a bit more and I fucking just missed it. Like, it's because there's a bit too much hesitation. This is the other problem now. So obviously tomorrow I'm gonna really try, like, I'm gonna try not to hesitate. So this was a good setup because silver, obviously, again at support there. I'm watching silver when I'm trading gold. That was perfect. That was a perfect long. That was potential there. That was good. Not even just that. NASDAQ here on the trend line here. If you look, so here NASDAQ. This was perfect. I just stared at it. It's dumb. It's dumb. I just stared at it. I didn't enter. Like I was looking more on gold, but still, that's a perfect entry. And like I'm seeing the moves and I'm not entering. I'm starting to think, like, I don't know, maybe I should have just got a prop firm account. Like, because then at least I wouldn't have had so much hesitation. I probably would have longed it. Like, obviously I'm trading, like I told you, with like $60 or $80, £60. It's like less, and you know, it causes, like, you don't want to lose the whole account. How much can you really risk, right? So I don't know, part of me thinks maybe I should have got a prop firm account. But yeah, we keep it going. Tomorrow I'm gonna fucking try it. I'm not gonna have this same hesitation. If I lose the account, fuck it. I just have to think like that. If I see my setup, I have to execute. Yo, what's up, people? It's Wednesday now. Obviously, I've still just taken 1 trade, but what I noticed to me is the hesitation to execute is gone like to another level. Like it's not the same. Like, obviously, I don't want to make mistakes on videos, so what's happening to me is like I'm not even on the good setups. I'm not going in, so I need to fix that urgently. Like every day I'm telling myself I'm gonna go in, and I'm not going in. The good thing about recording myself is that obviously by now I probably would have blown the account. So this way, obviously, I'm not doing anything stupid, but I'm hesitating way too much. I'm missing so many good trades. Now the time is like 5 p.m. I'm just watching the market. I've missed bare trades. So yeah, this NASDAQ long from 28,800 to what, that's 300 points there. I missed that. Even the gold long when it came back here, missed that. Even last night I was meant to long it. So now it's 1 o'clock in the morning on Thursday, and basically it's the same shit again. I'm seeing the good setups and I'm not taking them. I've missed a nice NASDAQ short. I've not taken that. That would have boosted me nicely. I'll show you that on the charts. Yeah, so that's NASDAQ there. That was a nice short from there. That's an easy setup. That's a nice setup there. Bang, 250 points down from what, 29,170-ish. 29,170 to down to, that's like 250 points. Like, I don't know, that was a perfect indication. I just stared at that wick. I did take another trade on the account on gold. To be honest, it was out of FOMO. Like, if I didn't close it, I would have effed up the account. Like, thank God I closed that shit. Now I have a buy order around 4120, 4122. Yeah, so I have to change this shit, otherwise how am I gonna make it? It's crazy. I'm doing so well by being disciplined, waiting for the perfect setups, like A plus setups. I've probably seen about 5 A plus setups, yeah, since Monday, and not taken any. It's dumb. Like, I don't understand. Like, that would never be the old me. I probably would have blown my account by now. So obviously the videos are working, but they're not doing. It's making me like it's gone the opposite now. So instead of me blowing the account, I'm being so cautious. I'm not even taking the good trades. So I have to change that. And the other thing is, yesterday I forgot. Basically, I've not slept well, yeah, because I can't even sleep at sometimes. Like, literally, it's just bothering me. I need to make my money back ASAP. Like, at least get some progress, yeah. I can't just sleep being broke, like, and not have money. Like, I need freedom, yeah. So basically, I hadn't slept well, yeah. So I set yesterday I went to sleep at like 2 a.m. I saw gold at like what, 4140. So I put my zones, which I'll show you now, and I put my zones to wake up in the morning to long it. And obviously I hadn't slept well, so I woke up in the morning, I completely forgot about my zones, and I missed the long, which is crazy. That would have been nice. That was a plan I made, which I would have executed, yeah, for sure. So basically I went to sleep, I put my zones there, buying zone there. Obviously morning I woke up, I honestly just forgot, because I look at 2 different charts, another one on IG. I forgot about these lines. I would have definitely gone in like $5, a point. That would have been like 250 there. So that would have been good. But other than that, the account is just still sitting at 57. It's all my days. My buy order just got filled. Shit. It just got filled right now. Damn. Okay, so I think I gotta hold it. Oh shit. Fuck. I don't know, I got to hold it, I think. Yeah, so we're still in the trade. Obviously, I don't know, I'm not feeling so confident though, I can't lie. Like, I might just close it. Yeah, I think now we're okay to put the stop loss at break even. I don't know, it's a bit quick, but fuck it. Put the stop loss to break even. Shit. So it is a bit tight, I can't lie, but fuck it. So yeah, we're in a slight profit, but we'll see what happens. Just hold it. Can't lie, the stop loss is a bit tight because I don't know, I'm not feeling the trade so much. Yo, what's up, people? It's now Thursday morning, and to be honest, the news is like bad news. It's really bad. I've lost the whole account. It's not what I expected, to be honest. It's some bullshit. I didn't sleep well. I FOMO'd into a trade, and I didn't want to close it, and now it's like I've lost the whole account. So it's definitely a downer. It's not what I expected. And the worst thing of it all, I knew gold is a short at like 4160. That I told myself I'm gonna short gold at 4160. It's now 4044. That's 120 points. That'll be $600 profit. On top of that, I was meant to short Nasdaq. Yesterday, that price 29,180. Now it's 28.5. That's what, 700 points down. Like, it's dumb. And even Tesla and Nasdaq released their earnings yesterday. Obviously, no, sorry, not Tesla and Google. Tesla released bad earnings, Google released good, yeah, on the EPS. I looked at both the stocks. They were both hella down. I had no, like, I knew Nasdaq it would be a short after that. There was no way it's gonna long. And I didn't short it even after at many resistances, like throughout the night. And like I said, I've not slept, and that don't help either. I'll give you a little show on the charts, like what I actually did on the account, like in total, which was not good. The trade yesterday, it like got stop loss out, like no loss. The trade today, obviously I told you I'd not slept. This like the second day I've not slept well, and that got fucked up as well. That trade was out of FOMO. It was complete FOMO. I was not meant to long it. Like, they had a slight potential, but I saw that So on the charts, obviously the buy order that got filled on video, I saw it here. It basically entered, the buy order was there. What happened though, I obviously put my stop loss there. It was a bit tight. I said it was a bit tight. I was targeting 4140, which it would have gone to, but obviously it took me out first. The second trade, which was today, which was fucked, and I shouldn't have entered. Like, this was a big mistake. Like, it was out of FOMO, and then I didn't want to close it. I saw it had been rejected here. I entered there thinking it had potential, but I saw here it's been rejected. I still didn't close it. Like, I don't know why. It's dumb. I don't know. It's because maybe I saw like 17 loss, 20 loss, and obviously I'm thinking like, what's the account going to be at after I close it, which was not good. Account is now £1, which is £1.39. That's like that's 99% loss. So yeah, it's not been good. Trades, but the sad thing is, like I said, I was meant to short gold at 4160. I told my guy 4160 I'm gonna short. I didn't short it, so it's dumb. Like, I don't understand. Another thing here on US Tech. Where's US Tech? It's here. I was meant to short it here, which is so dumb. That's a 700 point drop. I was meant to short that. I didn't. And the other thing is, why I really should have shorted gold is so dumb. Like silver, look at that, it was on my resistance. I even told my guy there it's a short, you know, like it was on my resistance. There, gold 4160, I already knew in my head. So I had 4160 in my head to short. Gold, silver being there at the resistance with a mad wick. I should have entered. That was my confluence, you know, that was my confluence to short. I don't understand. Am I gonna keep recording myself? Of course, I need to keep the show ongoing. I cannot give up. I need to like show that it's possible. I need to recover all my money. So maybe prop firm accounts is the way to go. Next week, back at it again. So yeah, this is like the same story every time, you know. I see so many good setups. I don't execute. Come the time I execute mine, it's a bad one. I don't close it. I don't understand, it's crazy. But at least I've recorded myself, watch back all the footage, write down some points and change. Next week I'm gonna change. I'm gonna not do the same shit. This is the whole point of recording myself. So yeah, back at it again next week. Try again, probably with prop firm accounts. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Because you know, my plan was to at least split this to maybe like 500 at least. I know I said 1,000, but at least 500. And then from there, I can buy like a few prop firm accounts, and then I have like less hesitation and not much fear, like less fear. So I thought that would have helped me. But anyway, we're back at it again next week. No giving up. Have to recover all the money. This is a journey to recover 550,000 in losses and to go into profits. So I'm not gonna give up until I get there. Fifi, say hi. Fifi, say hi. Come on, let's go. Fifi, come on, come. Fifi, come. Come on, higher. Fifi, higher. Yes, come on. Fifi, say hi. Fifi, say hi to the camera. Fifi, who's that? Fifi, who's that? Next week we go at it again. We're not giving up. We go at it again next week. Prop firm accounts. We have to. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe if you like the video. Peace.